Hi, welcome to my channel. Today will be another declutter video. Today I will be decluttering my bronzers. Not very many, but still a collection of bronzers that need some decluttering so we can get some organization in my life, and in my vanity. So a little bit of a different start. I'm not in front of my bed. I am around my vanity. But yeah, we are going to declutter some bronzers. But before we get started, if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I invite you to subscribe. Also like this video and share it with your friends. But let's get into this bronzer declutter. Welcome to my towel and my floor. Woo! So a bit of a different vibe. Usually my declutters are in front of my bed. So I'm trying out something a little bit different. I would love your feedback. Do we like the declutter on the floor here where you see all of the products laid in front? Or do we like the declutter in front of my bed? Please let me know down below. So yeah, there's that. But yeah, today we are doing a bronzer declutter. And as a reminder, similarly to my blush and highlighters, I only have singles. I do not have, what are they called? Face palettes. So all of my kept bronzers will go to my left side, and all of my declutter bronzers will go over to my right side. I also included cream products, so we'll go ahead and start with those. So I have the Fenty cream in Macchiato. Pretty recent of a purchase, so it's safe to say I'm keeping it. And I'm probably going through these because, well, I'm keeping both. So this is from Soul Body or from ColourPop. It's their sister company. And this is their face and body bronzing balm in the color dark. So it is darker than the other one, but I still use it from time to time, and I will be keeping this one as well. This is also a newer purchase. Did I say that? If I didn't, I'm saying that now. This is from Marc Jacobs. It's their Tantalize Omega Bronzer. I'm actually using this today. I will be keeping this. It's a little bit darker than I generally like to go for, but I am more tanner, so I can usually get away with it, particularly in the summer. Even though I'm not tan right now, I am still using it today. So that's a keep. So let's go over here. We have the Rimmel Natural Bronzer in Sunshine 020. So it is a little bit too shimmery. It is one of these because I already filmed this one time, but guess what? Every time I was showing this, I was out of view and putting them too high. So hopefully we can get them in shot now. So too shimmery, it's a goodbye. With that said, let's dip over here because you didn't get to see the struggle of me trying to open this package because yes, this is brand new. Now I have only had it for a couple of months, and I did try to use it not too long ago, but was too lazy to open it then. So this is Wet n Wild bronzer in Sunset Striptease, and for now I will be keeping it because I will be testing it out since I have not yet. Let's go over my ColourPops. So this one first has no name. Previously ColourPop did not include names on the back. It just says highlighter and bronzer, pressed powder face, highlighter, bronzer. So I don't know what color it is. I wonder if I popped it out if it would be in the back of this pan, but I'm guessing that it's not. It is a beautiful color, a little bit dark, but beautiful. But really, I have no reason to keep this. So I'm going to declutter this, and instead I'm going to keep this one. This one was a collab with Becky G and ColourPop. It's in the color 310. This one, because it was a collab, did have the name in the back, so this one did get a lot of love and use from me. So I haven't used it for a while, but I am going to keep it and try to use it. Mostly the reason I'm going to keep it is because I feel like there was some controversy between this collaboration with Becky G. It was her Chola line, and so it was all over ColourPop. It sold out, and then it disappeared. So I kept this, and I'm gonna continue keeping it. This is newer from e.l.f., not from e.l.f., newer to me from e.l.f. in Perpetually Tan. I am still kind of messing around and getting to know this bronzer, and I like it. I like the color, so I'm going to keep that. This bronze is from Model Co. in Shimmer. I'm more into matte bronzers than I am into shimmery bronzers. So this one is very shimmery. I believe I got this in a BoxyCharm or an Ipsy bag years ago. So I'm going to declutter this. I have this one from Pure, also very shimmery. It's a Mineral Glow, in the color Mineral Glow, sorry. So also difficult to open. It has a sheen. It's not super shimmery or doesn't have like glittery sparkles in it, but I'm also gonna get rid of this. I think I also got this one in a BoxyCharm or an Ipsy bag. I have two butter bronzers. I have the original light bronzer, which is down to its last little leg here, and I'm going to hold on to it because I intend to finish this sucker up, so we're keeping that. And then I also have this one in deep, is it deep bronzer? Yeah, deep bronzer, which I've hit pan on, so it is a little bit redder than I generally like, but I sometimes use this as eyeshadow for a transition shade, so I'm going to go ahead and keep this because I am still working on it, and I would love it if I could finish both of these by the end of the year. So high hopes for this one. This one is a maybe. Too Faced Chocolate Soleil. I feel like everybody had this at one point. I'm going to keep it for the nostalgia of it. I don't really use Too Faced products that much anymore, but it is a very nice bronzer and it smells like chocolate, so that's delicious. And then I have another one here. It's a Travel Chocolate Soleil, and it's brand new in the box. Now, if you saw, and I don't know which video is going up first, but I have a video that I've just unpacked my makeup bag from a traveling whatever, and I keep one of these small chocolate soleils in there at all time, but I have hit pan and it looks like it may break soon, so when that happens I have this for backup, so we're keeping that. And then the struggle was real. You missed it in the first take, but I went back and forth. This is NARS Laguna. It's a little baby one. And I went back and forth on whether to keep it because I'm pretty sure I have it in a face palette. And then I decided I'm going to keep it in my travel bag. And then it also broke in the middle of everything. And then I almost threw it out. And then here we are. I decided to keep it. It's disgusting and dirty, but the bronzer is still intact. So we're putting this in the travel bag. And last but not least, we have Tarte Park Avenue Princess. Some people really love this bronzer, and I have quite a dent in there. I got this free. I don't know if it was something, I feel like I got it free. Maybe I got a Tarte kit, which seems odd for me because I don't generally buy Tarte products ever, hardly ever. So I feel like maybe I got this in a BoxyCharm or an Ipsy bag. I did use the heck out of it. There is quite a dent, but it is shimmery, and it is time for this to go. So there we go. I have 5 declutters over there. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 11 keeps right here. So there you have it. Another declutter. This time we did bronzers, not a whole ton. And I always like to try to cut out half, which didn't happen. We did more like a third. There you go. A bronzer declutter. Done. That'll do it for our bronzer declutter. I hope that you liked this change, and I definitely love your feedback, as I mentioned earlier. And I'd also love to know what are some of your favorite bronzers. What bronzers are in your collection that are absolute staples that I don't have in mine? I would love to know. I tend to stick to the same few. I'm a creature of habit. But I want to thank you so much for watching this video. If you've not yet subscribed to my channel, now would be the time to do so. Also like this video and share it with your friends and come back to see me. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next one.